The.
Put one in your bag and put one down right there to wear. Hi Faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new day here in France and I haven't opened my window yet, so I can't tell you if it's beautiful or not, but it's beautiful on the inside because we are alive and well and we give thanks for every single day that we wake up and breathe, right? How are you guys doing? Hopefully you guys are doing well. Babe just ran out. Baby's off to work. We are up. I am all dressed in attire for workout. You know I have to start my day this way because if I don't start my day like this, girl, it doesn't feel right. So this is my morning ritual. This is my self-care everyday workout before I do anything. Before I work out, I have to go drop Minnie to school. I have to drop Tyler to school. And I am having a cup of turmeric tea this morning because I do not have any ingredients for green juice. So, what's this? What's this? Slippers. She can't be slippers. She says shoes. But you already have a shoes on. You can soon put this one on. It's almost hot outside where you don't need shoes. You can put slippers. Look. Say morning. Morning. Hi. Hi. She looking at you guys like, what? Who am I saying hi to? Don't go so close else they won't see you. Back up. Back up. What's this? Da. Can you say hello to the face?
Hello, Wagwan. Mama, you know why I'm thinking of this?
Why?
Because it's the sounds of the letters.
Okay.
So this time I'm going to do some things like this that I was doing like the duh, and you need to guess which letter it is.
I don't have time to guess letters.
Please.
I need to go. I'll guess it when we're on our way to school, not now. Tell the Faves you're gonna have a good day today.
I'm going to have a good day today.
What
Mama,
else are you gonna do?
get only A's.
Okay, and?
Listen.
And?
Pay attention.
And?
If I do mistake, I do it before breakfast comes.
You correct it before teacher comes.
Yes.
And don't tell us. At canteen you're going to?
Eat everything.
Good job. And keep your mask on and wash your hands, okay?
Wait, I don't keep my mask on every time.
Yeah, not at canteen. Right?
But when I go right in the canteen, I still keep it on.
Yeah, but when you're gonna eat, you take it off. You're gonna eat with the mask.
Yes.
Can you eat with the mask? You're too funny.
Mama, can I still do this but Faves guess?
Okay. So tell Faves what you're gonna do and they'll guess.
First, I'm going to do this. Which letter is this sign?
How are they gonna know that?
I'm going.
How are they gonna know which
It's
letter
a
is that
little
sign?
bit going to be tricky because look.
Okay, you and Faves, you guys, I'm going to finish getting ready. I'll leave you with Tyler.
The right answer was A. Next letter. Which letter is this? The answer was D. What should I do next? I know. Wait, I'm going Which will you select first? Hmm? The answer was G. Is that tricky one this time? Wait, I'm going to try and do it. Okay. The tricky one, this one. It's not a G.
You're still talking. Anyway, you guys, stay love, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay encouraged. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. I need to undo it, yes, but I need to go get dressed. You finished talking?
No, I didn't finish my letter.
Oh my God.
So what should I do? Good show you. But it's the right way because this is in the wrong way. This right way. And when it's like this, it goes away. It's not C. The answer was T. Is that it?
Bye.
Yes, Mama.
Jacket.
And
Always buy first.
Letter. I finished my letters.
Okay, go get your jacket.
It's on the lowest spot.
Check. An easy simple lunch idea, and this can be made with overnight chicken, or you can go ahead and steam some chicken and just mince it to medium size. And then I have here some mashed avocado, and I have some cayenne pepper on it because you want the cayenne pepper to kick this flavor up. And then all I have here is some light salad cheese, or you can go ahead and use whichever cheese that you wish. That I'm going to make 2 wraps, so I share in my ingredients in 2. Then I'm going to add cheese, and you can go ahead and add your ingredients whichever order that you choose. There's no specific order to add in the ingredients, but it's the ingredients, it's the mix of the ingredients that give it that awesome flavor. Now we're going to let that just sit there for a bit, and I'm going to now go ahead and fold to seal this wrap, and I just press out the wrap just to make sure it's evenly spread, and you just let this brown on both sides, and voila, your wrap is ready after that. And you eat this warm and it will be delicious. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the wrap, give it a nice flip. As you guys can see on the side is getting golden. That's what you're going for. Everything melted and is perfect. Looks so good. Alright guys, so there you have it. A nice and easy simple lunch idea. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Subscribe if you're new to Mel's Kitchen, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Hi guys, Tyler's back home from school.
I learned about the learn about the
Kaka. Learn about the kaka.
No, I learned about the cup. And I write some words with
Oh, you learn about the sound ka.
no, the letter C.
Kaka.
No, Kaka.
What?
I learned about the sound of the C.
And that's kaka for kaka.
Oh no.
No?
I got the K of the C of cup.
Kaka.
La, a, ra, I.
Kaka. Come to the supermarket hall.
Na, na,
You're gonna discover everything that I went. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I'm back from work.
How are you supposed to the camera, babe? People are supposed to the camera. Back up. Back up. You don't have to kiss them up like that.
Listen to her. So I went to the supermarket alone to get some time to be home before the curfew. So she now have no clue what's in. Because I didn't take nothing that was on the list, and I only take what I felt for. So, surprise.
Oh.
Papa, did you take a cheese?
No surprise today. Everything was on the list.
Alright, let's see. Let's go. Let's go. Hold your
I
place.
said the notes.
Hold your position.
Mama, I said them in French.
Okay.
Patadouce, broccoli.
No, that's courge.
No, c'est patadouce.
No, c'est pas patadouce. Patadouce is sweet potato. That's not sweet potato.
Courge.
Courge.
Oui, ça c'est la courgette.
Courgette. Ah, la salade. Oups.
Sorry.
La salade. Du jus d'oasis.
If I put it here, do we hold by
Jus
itself?
Mama, jus d'ananas. In same time you.
Lettuce. We have lettuce, we have
Mama,
juice.
every time I say something in French,
I
you
said it in
tell
English.
Pineapple juice,
Okay.
apple juice.
orange.
You saw what I
Orange.
took? I took
Pineapple
the
juice.
for you.
For
Yes.
who?
Me.
Patella?
This for us, Tad and I. Not for you to vomit. This is good.
It's for Sarah.
Petit beurre.
Petit beurre. I saw you right. Petit beurre. Non, petit beurre.
Oh, it's pretty.
Petit beurre. Say it.
I steal some a few times because it's my favorite.
She does. And she put some jam and some peanut
Lies.
butter on top of it.
Cheese. Ask me why they buy a whole list of cheese.
No, that's...
Tell them your reason.
I was in the store
Fromage.
Here we go.
and I fed for... What is this name?
Parmesan cheese.
Croque Monsieur.
Croque monsieur.
So I'm gonna do croque monsieur. You know what is croque monsieur?
You finished?
And you know what is croque madame?
Yes, I do.
Alright, so we're gonna do in the week croque monsieur or croque madame.
Oh, that's a French thing we're gonna do for you guys. Good idea, babe. Who say you not have little sense?
Say thank you, you're the best. Say it.
Thank you, you're the best.
You're not the best.
I don't miss
Thank you, you're
Alright,
not the
let's
best.
go.
Salmon.
Salmon.
Salmon 2-pack.
Cookie.
2-pack cookie.
Happy biscuit.
Happy biscuits.
Taco céréales.
Cereal bar 2.
Pizza.
Mushroom, the one that you like.
Pizza.
Pizza. Pat.
Tomato
sauce
sauce and pasta for the family. Cereal bar for me. Grape juice.
Why you pick this? It wasn't on the list.
Because I want to do croque monsieur with it.
But there is some in the fridge already.
I want croque monsieur with the real hand. Come on. Real ham and cheese for the croque monsieur. So now what remains?
Peach.
Peach. It just remains the bread for the croque monsieur.
So why you take this big bread?
Because that was the only one. Either this or nothing.
Oil for babe.
Oil for babe here.
cereal.
and crab for me, and a little bit for Tyler too.
A lot for me.
A cucumber. What's wrong with the cucumber?
Papa, stop
Maga like
talking.
you?
Papa,
So why you scratch up your bird so babe?
So why you just did that? I wasn't. You did it.
no, you.
Tyler, look
Papa,
at
stop talking. Papa, stop talking. I don't have the time for you to talk. If you talk,
So this is the last ingredient for the croque monsieur. So I need the bread, the cheese on top, the ham. That's it. And that's a very yummy and healthy
Very
dinner.
unhealthy. It's him I'll make it with him, but it's him alone gonna eat it.
Compote.
And Tyler too.
And Tyler.
Compote.
I'm not going to eat.
Yogurt.
Yeah.
Tyler,
Donut.
I took donuts like this for you. Is this correct?
Is this one you want?
Yes, correct.
Hi. Yes. Yes. I know. You're my buddy. You're my buddy. I remember.
They're doing that because I got it wrong last week. I took the wrong donut. This is one of my favorite things to eat here in France when I
someone is
visit
here.
somebody's
This is
house. They
shrimp.
always have this shrimp that is already cooked in the shell and it tastes so good. And I bought it last week and I have it 2 days for lunch in the week and it was delicious with salad.
That's why you were nice last week. I mean, a nice lunch make you nice.
Well, I guess I'll not be nice this week again. I already showed them.
We have some lemon for the green juice, guys. I have to think about green juice when I go to the supermarket. The lemon, the cucumber,
Sardine.
the
Flour.
celery. Celery was a problem with
Poulet.
celery. You discover chicken breast. You asked me breast, chicken breast.
Yeah, but what kind of little pack of
That's the other
chicken
one
breast
we
is
always
this?
take. Just last week you take more. Yes.
Poulet.
Lord have mercy.
Lord have mercy. Poulet, so you can do chicken in the oven.
Yeah, because since you took wings,
Yes.
a little bit of sense.
Poulet.
You get a little bit of credit for that.
Breast.
Chicken.
Jus de raisin. Jus de raisin.
Yeah,
Give me your father. He did too much trouble, man.
Another grape juice. I'm gonna do it. You're gonna fall
Okay, these
down.
are all yogurt, so that's to show you guys. And carrot.
Carrot.
For the rabbit. Who is the rabbit in the house?
Papa.
Exactly.
Alright.
My boy.
The celery was the last thing.
So,
Papa.
what do you mean it was the
Pierre,
last?
I mean, it wasn't no big. Hold on, Tyler.
Banana.
Banana, the apple for the green juice.
Papa, stop talking,
Why
I
you
said.
Stop killing Papa, stop
Celery.
I took some celery.
Celery. What do you say
I
was
took
the
a lot
last
of
thing? What
because
do you
it's
mean?
one by one by one.
Oh.
Whatever women, I hope it's fine.
Well, what celery? Celery.
We have some
Broccoli.
broccoli. We have some
Gingembre.
ginger.
Gingembre.
Is it good? We
Gingembre.
have some avocado.
Avocado.
Some green bean.
That's it.
That's it.
We said
Where's the cheesecake?
which cheesecake?
You didn't buy cheesecake.
No, I got cheesecake. Look at the ticket I received.
Where's the ticket?
You can't even lie to say
I
your own
forgot it.
lie.
I forgot it
you're-
in the-
Liar. Liar.
Liar,
I
because
don't believe it.
yes, I don't believe you because before you had said that you didn't bring no surprise. Pierre fait ciseaux.
You know, you said pay for a ciseaux.
Pierre fait ciseaux, j'ai dit. Oh, tu fais encore
Elle a
une
dit
partie.
Pio.
Encore une partie.
Anyway, you guys, that's the end of the supermarket haul for today.
On va encore une partie. On va encore une partie.
Excited. Where's my daughter? Daughter! Daughter! No!
I just said, bum, 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 bum.
Tell his night night. The night night. The bye bye. Tell them bye bye. Bye bye. Give them kiss. Mwah. Tell them bye bye. It's bedtime. We are coming on to end today's vlog. Everybody's off to bed, as in the kids. They're off to bed.
And we soon go to bed too.
No, I'm going to bed right now. There's no soon in it for me.
Soon is
right
a question
now.
of seconds. You had a good day?
Yes, I had a good day.
Yeah, cool. Anyway guys, I hope you all had a good day. You have anything to say?
Yeah, I didn't show you guys what we had for dinner because we had Sunday, Monday. I just made some vegetable soup.
We're gonna show you for sure when we have the cock monsieur.
Oh yeah.
I fell for it.
I'm gonna
Eat it.
make it this weekend.
Yeah, probably. Or either Friday, like you know.
Friday evening?
Yeah.
Okay, so you want it for dinner Friday evening?
It can be that. I'll be home, so
You working from home Friday?
yeah. I have to go to the
Okay.
hospital on Friday and then I come home.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. So I'm gonna
What do you have at the hospital Friday for your head?
yeah. Ed.
What is it? Scan, X-ray, what?
MRI and with injection.
Which hospital?
The same one that went for the scan. The one we went for Sarah.
Okay,
Medical.
okay.
Far.
It's not that far.
No, it's not that far. Ah, story of my life, story of my last 2 weeks, story of 2021 for me.
Alright, I'm gonna give them no rant. Because you're gonna make me start laugh. I'm gonna do ranting tonight. So you freeze like that for. Baby, stop your phone.
Anyway, we say we come back and we're gonna end today vlog. But give us a thumbs ups.
Comment down below. Subscribe if you're new. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam. And we'll see you guys tomorrow. Move, man, because you don't have much sense.